A 4.4% rise in Bitcoin Cash is expected by May 13, based on Traders Union metrics. But first, here's the current view of today's activity. Bitcoin Cash is currently showing a 1.7% decrease over the last 24 hours and is priced near $444.90. Here's today's set of expert forecasts. CoinDataFlow projects a price of $447.08 tomorrow, which amounts to a rise of around 0.4% from now. Digital Coin Price sees Bitcoin Cash heading upward to $448.79, an estimated gain of 0.8%. 30 Rates points out it could move up to $451, about 1.3% more than now. A separate forecast released by Traders Union projects Bitcoin Cash may climb toward $464.75, about 4.4% up. And to wrap up, Gov Capital Collector sees the asset reaching $469.62 by tomorrow with 5.5% upside. This forecast stands out as the most profitable. That wraps our top projections. Let's dig further. Let's take a closer look at the key details of these forecasts. From all the predictions combined, the likely market shift sits between a rise of 0.4% and an increase of 5.5%, depending on the analyst. The final takeaway is that Gov Capital Collector expects the top return with 5.5% gain in value by tomorrow, as the data shows you could collect between $4 and $55 for every $1,000 you invest. From a probability standpoint, CoinDataFlow is ahead with a 76.4% chance of success. With all forecasts taken together, I've produced a consensus outlook. The collective forecast highlights Bitcoin Cash at roughly $456.25. Let's break it down. Consensus figures suggest the price could go higher by 2.5%. Put another way, your capital could also increase by around 2.5%. With $1,000 invested, the implied gain would be roughly $25. Based on the forecasts, the probability of this consensus outcome being realized is near 53.2%. Let's pause here and check the 3-day forecasts from analysts. CoinDataFlow signals a steady decline. Digital Coin Price signals a likely move upward. Additionally, 30 Rates suggest the market will keep pressing upward. Traders Union emphasizes that the near-term path looks steady, with no significant change expected. Gov Capital Collector sees the chart tilted toward growth. Collectively, the forecasts suggest Bitcoin Cash will remain balanced across this 3-day horizon. Bringing the forecasts together, most project Bitcoin Cash to follow a rising path. 2 days back, 5 forecasts were published. Now we can see how they performed against the market. In the end, yesterday's move brought the price to $450.20. Since the move developed this way, all 5 analysts got the direction right. Looking at the numbers, coin price forecast turned out most precise. Now we'll sort out the results in detail. In this case, 4 forecasts landed inside yesterday's move. And about ROI, full green across the board, with the top result at 0.9%. On screen now is the recap view, a compact overview of forecast performance. The stats list Gov Capital Collector with accuracy, 75.4% forecast probability, and 0.2% ROI. Take a moment to observe how each forecast actually turned out. And now we can observe how the predicted returns for tomorrow differ across a few assets. According to forecasts, Bitcoin Cash stands second, while Chainlink holds first with 2.9%. This view includes only 5 cryptocurrencies, and you can explore more coins and daily forecasts on my website. If this made things clearer for you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more. Talk to you in the next one.